Breaking news that's coming in right now in connection with the Bilkis Bano case. Now, the top court has reserved its verdict. The Supreme Court has reserved its verdict when it comes to the Bilkis Bano case. And this was, of course, the Supreme Court that was hearing the plea against the convicts' release. The plea had, in fact, challenged early release of the convicts. And this is, of course, in connection with the Bilkis Bano case. My colleague Harish joins us on the phone line with more information on this. Harish, this plea, of course, was challenging the release of the convicts, and now the top court has in fact reserved its verdict. What more details do we have at this point in time?
Yes, that's right. After marathon hearing, the Supreme Court has concluded the hearing today and reserved its verdict on a petition filed by Bilkis Bano and also TMC MP Mahua Moitra and social activist Subhashini Ali, who had challenged the premature remission release of 11 convicts who were convicted not only for the gang rape of pregnant Bilkis Bano, but also 7 of her relatives. That includes her 3-year-old daughter. So now the order is reserved, and the judgment, now it's over to the judgment in this case, the all-important case, which had in fact sent into shockwaves across the country, given the fact that this was a very heinous and brutal crime committed by the 11 convicts. In fact, the Bilkis Bano side, the petitioners had argued that this was not a case for premature release because it was a heinous and gruesome crime, and the Gujarat, it was wrong to follow the 1992 policy, which had a remission policy, which had allowed the release of even gang rape, murder victims also, but
right.
The subsequent 2014 rule should have been allowed, used, which had prevented the release of gang rape and murder accused, and also the jurisdictional state was Maharashtra, where the trial took place, and not Gujarat, but the convicts and Gujarat government had argued that it was on Supreme Court's direction that the 1992 policy was made applicable, and the jurisdictional state was decided that it will be Gujarat and not Maharashtra. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harish. This is, of course, in connection with the all-crucial Bilkis Bano case that had, of course, sent shockwaves around the nation. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you for more on this. Meanwhile,